Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today's video is about nails for Barbie Fashionistas Lavender Kiss. This girl is wearing super cute shiny lavender color romper. It has a whole bunch of red lips. I really wish if they sell that outfit for human size. So today I'm just showing you how I hand paint with gel for nail design. Please enjoy watching. Start from lavender color, and I use white chrome powder to make the color even shinier. Paint red lips. I start painting from center and fill around with other lips. And draw the outlines. To be honest, for doing this, all you need is being patient. Add tiny white lines and white dots. They would look more three-dimensional. I painted one nail into blue because she's wearing light blue tennis shoes. And also I decorated with jewels, which is inspired by her earrings. Ta-da! I love those lips. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye!